My name is Catherine Horst. My husband Jason Horst and I own Horst Arts Center in downtown Manheim. We're a creative arts solution business, which means that we can do a lot of different things, but it's in the world of the arts. So if you come here and want to do any of our projects, we love to do things that involve different materials, and I know a lot of people can't always paint and draw, but they love to do something that's crafty and different. Our workshops can involve paint, they involve glue, we do things like junk journaling, we do vision boarding, we do things with decoupage, as well as string art. String art is very popular. You can buy that online, but we love to do it here. Why don't you make something unique? We offer workshops, so arts and craft workshops for the public to sign up for. We do it for private parties and also for team building projects that your business wants to get together, do something interesting, do something a little bit different. You can come to our space. And then finally, if you want to come into our building, we're willing to come to you. We're mobile with all of our workshops. So we like to just create really awesome experiences with your coworkers, your family. Our gift shop has a lot of different options. We have craft and art projects you can take home as kits to do at your kitchen table. We have journals, notebooks, and other items you can give as gifts to your loved ones, or something special if you're just walking in off the street and want to take home to enjoy. If you're looking for things to do in Lancaster County, then come visit us here in Manheim to try out a craft project or see what we have in the gift shop.
For more information, visit discoverlancaster.com.